Your girl Yammy's here, and we are at Magic Kingdom. It is July 3rd. They're going to do the first night of the patriotic fireworks for the 4th of July. So we snagged some reservations here and decided we would come. It is 5:09 at night, and we're just getting our evening, just getting here. But it's gloomy, it's yucky, it's outside. Let me show you. Ferry's just pulling in, but it's really gloomy out, and it is raining, so we have to cover you up while we run to the boat. Run to the boat. The Disney ducks are trying to get out of the rain. He's like, nope. But he's also looking for handouts. So if you have any handouts, he would gladly take it from you. Well, the rain has begun, and I'm just sitting in here waiting for Boo. He should be meeting up with me here soon. Yes, we're running. All right, we're getting ready. Uh-oh. They had somebody. Oh, you guys just missed it. Boo was on there for wanting Roz's phone number. Yay!
Bank account. Take a look at Mr. Moneybags and wait for him after the show. Get yourself a churro. Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing? Make some noise. Let's get excited. Well, your host will be here in a minute. He's brown and green, and he's got one eye. Shout it out if you know his name.
Mike.
It is. Who's heard of Mike before? That's our mic check. Her response is to scream like this. Wah! You throw your hands up in the air and scream as loud as you can like you saw a monster. Let's practice. Hello, humans! You guys are amazing. That was awesome. Okay, remember to do that every time, and now say, Roz, start the show! I'll be back in a little. Okay, bye.
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit door.
Hello, humans!
Very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, this is your first time in a monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, you stink to that guy, it would be a compliment. Face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from Roz!
No.
She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Yep.
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
He's having a day.
Humans, raise your hands up if you...
Just your little on this side. They look friendly. Okay. They're a little gassy, burping into her mouth. That's okay.
That happens, huh?
Yeah, all of us. All of us.
What's your name? Hi, Ashley. Where are you from?
Oh, Atlanta, Georgia, yes. An underwater city, yes, filled with mermen and dolphins and octopi and the famous Eiffel Tower.
Octopi. Okay, is that right?
Yes, thank you, Ashley. Because Ashley dresses everyone in plastic. Everyone takes a shower. And they play puddles under the Eiffel Tower. Ta-da!
Oh, wow. Thanks a lot for coming.
He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle.
Thank you. Hello, Yammi! Good job. Everybody remembered except for you-know-who. That guy. It's okay, that guy. You get another chance. So once again, buddy, who would like to volunteer to have their mind read? Great. Oh, thank you. Hi, my name's Buddy. Thanks for volunteering. What's your name?
Sonia.
Correct. Sonia, think of a number, and I can read the number from your mind. Okay, great. Now, before number right, so I want you to tell everybody what it is, but listen, don't worry, Sonia. While you tell everybody, I'm going to close my eyes so I can't hear you. Okay.
It's 29.
Sonia, did you tell him the number?
I did, yes. Can you hear
I'm
me?
sorry, what?
Can you hear me now?
No. Still, I can't hear you now. I'm positive 100%. So I'm going to open my... What?
This might go on a while.
No, it's okay. We're done. Now we're going to do mind reading. Okay, now I'll show you how this works. Okay, you focus on your number like this. Now, you point your fingers on top of your head like this. Like, he'll show you. Okay, show her how to do it. Okay, now, we'll work with that. Okay, think of the, no, you're doing great, Sonia. Think of the number and go like this. Give it up for Sonia, that was perfect. Let's see if it works. My powers are telling me the number 27?
Not quite.
Oh, was it higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher. 27?
Close enough. Good job.
I did it! Thanks, Sonia. Let's do it again.
Oh, thank goodness.
But remember, I'm watching, always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Ross, and I've got a mole on my
I can still hear.
Okay, cool. Here we go. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange.
Aren't you glad we didn't forget about that? Thanks, guys. You're awesome.
What do you think of that, Ross?
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new
There you
title?
go.
Not you, Wazowski. That guy.
Well, that's our show.
We tried this new cupcake, and let me tell you, it was yummy. It was very yummy. You can buy this at the popcorn stand on the right of the castle. Then we had a berry shortcake. Oh my goodness. That was so good. So very good. And we got that from the Columbia Harbor House.
Tonight, we celebrate America, a land of many people, a country that continues to grow, a nation of courage and independence. America the Beautiful. come together as we commemorate the enduring spirit of this great nation. With joy, we celebrate the United States of America, a vast mosaic of individuality and inspiration, a vibrant palette of cultures and colors, a country whose pioneering spirit continues to live on in the hearts and minds of people who cherish freedom in this land and around the globe. Those who believe in their dreams, from sea to shining sea, we are proud to share all that this great and beautiful nation has to offer. In the words and melodies of beloved American folk songs, that enduring spirit is found in the music of our land.